was having an issue when I was trying to connect it to my API, which I'm using localhost currently, and I was getting this error. Let me show you. Network request failed, and I'm going to show you how to solve it, at least how I solved the problem. What we'll first do is, as you can see, let me show you. I'm connecting to localhost 8080. This is where I'm running my server. Let me start it actually. Just for give it a minute. Okay. Someone suggested that you should use your IP. For me, that didn't work. To go to settings and then network, your Wi-Fi advanced, and then you copy your IP address here like this. Then you replace it here. That was one way, but for me this did not work. I tried sometime. The first time it worked, and then all of a sudden it stopped. And I searched, but I couldn't find any other solution until I found this option. You should go to Google, look for Grok, but I'll put a link for it below. And first, sign up. It's for free. Sign up, and then once you sign up, you log in, you download for whichever operating system you're using, whether it's Windows, Linux. After you download it, let me check as it downloads and try and see. Still getting the network error. We're going to fix it in a minute. So once it's done downloading, just open to unzip. If you're in Mac, you'll have to give it permission. Go to settings, and then all the way to security and privacy, and then down here it will ask you to allow it. You'll do it like this. Open anyway. Open. For now, from here, all I need is this. That path. I'll copy it, open a new terminal, paste, and then copy this. After you log in, you'll be given this access token. This one. You'll need it so that you can actually access your link, your API, which you're hosting locally. So paste it, enter. From there, you'll just do the same, whatever you did here, and then this time you write HTTP. The last part should be, if you're running localhost 4040 or 8080 or 8000, 3000, whatever, it's the number you write it here. So mine is 8080. That. Give it a minute. Once it's done, as you can see, just copy this link for HTTPS. That you can check if it's working. See, for me it's working. Sorry. as you can see. So I'll come, copy this, go back to my code, and then I'll replace it here exactly as it is. Then I'll save and I'll try again. It's working. Let me put the right details. I'm still handling the errors. Yeah. Yes. See, it's working. You're no longer getting that network request failed. I hope this helps someone, because I'm struggling with it for a couple of days and this works for me. Okay, and one more thing before I forget, you have to keep the server running backend so that it still works, so that it actually keeps running and working on that link that you just created. Because if it's not running, it won't work. For example, if I quit, then I try and check the link again, it's not going to work. It's going to give me an error, and you'll have to repeat the process again. Give it a minute to start. So refresh and so. See, it's back. So make sure every time, for example, once you're done, once you quit, you'll repeat the process until you're done with your project, until you host your backend to a server or somewhere. That's when you'll come and replace it. So thank you for watching. If this video helped you, press a like. If it didn't, leave a comment below and see. I'll try and help as much as I can. Thank you.